What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to name some of these organic compounds. I'm dealing with 5 different compounds in this video, and all of them are aromatic and they have benzene ring, and all of them they have bromo group. So the first one we have bromo and benzene group, so we call it brromobenzene. That's the name of this organic compound. The second one, we have 2 bromo groups. So it's going to be 1 and 2. We don't name it this way. We name it this way because the second one is going to get the smallest number. So it's going to be 1 and 2 dibromobenzene. Next one, it is 1 and 3 dibromobenzene. Or you can also call it meta-dibromobenzene. We just put M. For the previous one, we call it o-diboromobenzene or ortho-dibromobenzene. Here we have 2 bromo, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4, doesn't matter. So it's going to be 1 and 4 dibromobenzene or para-dibromobenzene or para-dibromobenzene. Next one, we have 1 bromo and 1 iodo. Iodo start with I, bromo start with B. So this one comes first. It's going to be 1 and 4. So it's going to be 1 bromo, 4 iodo benzene. There is no dash here. 1 bromo, 4 iodo benzene is going to be the name of this organic compound. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.